Hi everybody, this is Allison from Slideform, and I wanted to share with you today a solution for creating a Google slide for every row that you have in a Google Sheet. If you spend a lot of time copying information from Google Sheets over to slides, automation can help. Here at Slideform, we can link your data to your slide deck to generate up-to-date, accurate, and professional presentations on demand. So today I want to show you two ways to create slide decks in bulk using Google Sheets. And my example for this is going to be a vacation rental management company that has data on the performance of different properties that they manage. So the data sheet looks like this. In Google Sheets, we have the property name and then data about that property, like how many bookings they had, the total rent, number of reviews, etc. And I want to create a slide deck that has one slide summarizing each of these properties. So the first thing that I need to do is create a template for my slide. You can see here's a template with this green background, and it's just one slide. I have the property name at the top, and then I have various metrics about the property on the slide. You'll notice that each of these metrics corresponds to one of the columns in the spreadsheet. So now let's go into Slideform and see how it works. This is the Slideform application, and you can see I have various different templates already entered into my account. Here's the template that I'm going to use today. To create a template, all you do is go to New Form and enter the URL of the Google Slides template. I've already done that, as you can see here. Now, to create one slide for every row in the Google Sheet, it couldn't be simpler. All we have to do is click Bulk Create and choose that we want all of this information to be combined into one presentation. Then we just enter the Google Sheets URL. So here's my Google Sheet. I just copy this URL and make sure that it's already been shared with Slideform. Go back to Slideform and paste it and click Submit. You can see that we've submitted 9 jobs because there were 9 rows in my sheet. Now we'll go back into Slideform and check for the result. Here's the result right here. So we click to the link to the doc, and you can see that we have now a presentation in Google Slides with 9 slides, and each of them has been filled out with the information that we had in our Google Sheet. It's as simple as that. Now, if you have any questions about how to create bulk slides using Slideform, or if you want to learn more about what we're offering, please do get in touch. You can contact us at slideform.co. Thanks and have a great day.